Yo, what's going on, guys? What's up? It's me, it's your boy Nes. Right now, I made an analysis on USD JPY. It is 2:06 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, April 2nd. So I'm looking at the charts, I'm seeing what's going on. I'm like, all right, cool. I see that right at this point, the market seems to be resisting. The market had support over here before, but now it seems to be resisting right around this area. And so when I peeped that, I put my short position tool over here, and usually I like my traditional forex trades: 20 pip risk, 40 pip take profit, and I like to adjust accordingly to that. Now this wasn't just a forex idea that I put out, but also a binary idea as well. Remember, the difference between binary options and forex is literally just the difference in execution. So binary options go by time expirations, whereas traditional forex, it's basically the deeper you are in profits, the deeper you are in the direction you predicted the market was going to go in after you execute a trade, the more profits you can generate. So that's basically what it is. So when I put out ideas, for those of you that are involved with the MOB Pro platform, whenever I put out ideas, I put it out there, whether it's a buy or sell or whatever the case may be, USD JPY, and I, put in the entry point, stop loss, take profit. Now, if I put in an entry point and the market hasn't touched that yet, then you can either do a stop or limit order with traditional forex. If the market is below the ideal entry point, then that would be a sell limit, for example. Okay, if we were going to do that. Or if the market was above, all right, the level where I am interested in entering an entry point in, then that would be a stop order. Okay, a sell stop, for example, in this example. Stop loss is the safety net, so you don't lose more than what you're really willing to risk. And take profit is when the market reaches a point, it can actually your broker will automatically pull you out in profits. I do send the link sometimes to the chart, and I put the time expiration here for binary options purposes. Okay, so whenever I put these signals out, it goes simultaneously to both Discord and also Telegram. All right, so on Discord, let's just put this out there. On Discord, you'll have the signals or the ideas over here, and you see it laid out along with the disclaimer. Okay, it's important to note that when it comes to trading involves risk, including some of all your initial investment. These ideas are based on market opinions and commentary, which can change at any time. Past performance never guarantees future results. These ideas are for informational purposes. Trade at your own discretion. Trade at your own risk. Right? So when I put these ideas out there, people get excited about it. I put out 2 to 5 ideas usually on a super active week. All right, so just now, and it's really a cool thing to do, because once you receive the signal, you just simply copy and paste, right? So we could go, all right, over here to swaysetup.com, okay, in order for you to get access to sway charts. So go to swaysetup.com if you don't have a traditional forex broker yet. And basically, right when you want to copy and paste the trade, all right, make sure you're on the right chart. Click any one of these buttons so the order screen pops up, right? You can choose if you want it to be at market, okay, or a limit or stop, okay? So I leave it at just market in this example. You control how many lots you want to trade. So one full lot is basically $10 per pip. 2 full lots is $20 per pip. 3 full lots, $30 per pip. So you could do whatever you want with that. Protection orders, it basically opens up the options for stop loss and take profit. Now this is where we do the copy and pasting. So for stop loss, all right, I would literally go in here, okay, copy the stop loss price and paste it right here. Same thing with take profit. All right. And over here, you can enter the order. Since I already have the order pulled up, I already did the same order twice. It's already basically in the profit zone. All right. So I'm just going to put this out there anyway. All right. And whenever you are putting in position, executing positions, it's always going to start off in a negative because in traditional Forex, the first thing you do is pay the broker through the spread. Okay, so it's going to always start off negative in traditional Forex. In binary options, you're going to want to put in a position, all right, where basically you have the time limit there. You make sure it's on the correct asset, all right, buy or sell. Since I already put this in there, and I put it in there today, both my trades won. And as you can see, the results of it, okay, you can see what the results of it was, all right, $9,790 in profits for both of them, okay? So my account grew on binary, my account is growing on traditional Forex, and so, you know, we Gucci when it comes to that. So I'm gonna let these all go eventually to the take profit, and then we're gonna be good to go. But again, ladies and gentlemen, you know, past performance does not guarantee future results. Looks like the trade is going to be working out. If I don't want to wait on this Forex trade for too long, then I can literally just get back into the broker and just end my positions ahead of time and be good to go. So I can literally take profit here, boom. All right, take profit right over here. All right, and I can let this one be the one that goes all the way to the take profit price point without me having to pull out. So accounts is up today. I'm good. You know, I hope everyone else is good. I do have a few free communities. I have my Facebook community, all right, that I have wide open. So let's go to groups. Let's go to Mine on Billions. Some people, you know, prefer other groups. All right, so I have a few different support groups over here. And if you go over to my Instagram, you'll be able to see my Instagram channel. All right, let me see if I can, let me actually pull this up over here. Okay. All right, look, check this out. So on Instagram, you can see this in mobile. When you go to my Instagram page, okay, you see where shows you the free trading blueprint. All right, click on that. Okay, and then you'll see some of my messages in here. Here's another free group that you can take advantage of. So it's almost 1,000. I have 1,800, about 1,800 on the Facebook group, but on the Telegram group, I actually have a little over 4,000. So we go over here to the free community on. All right, we go over here to the free community. Okay, on Telegram, you can see, all right, that there's over 4,700 people in this group. So those are the free communities that I have. And for those that actually want access to the signals, all right, you'll have to become a platform member, all right, with Mine on Billions Pro. Okay, so it's easy to become a member of Mine on Billions Pro. It's literally so simple. All you have to do is hover your mouse on trading, all right, and click to enter the Telegram ideas or the Discord ideas. Okay, so once you upgrade to get the plan with the signals, then you are already a part of the system. For those that are asking for the AI chart capability, that is still undergoing a process change. But for right now, the signals are up and running. Usually it's 2 to 5 signals a day on average. If it's a week where I'm super busy, you might get, you know, maybe 3 signals a week, something like that. But on a week where I'm on it, then I'll pump out a whole bunch. And as we grow, the expectancy will change. So as we grow, I'll be able to put on some more individuals on the ideas team to pump out ideas. And then, you know, the numbers will increase from there to a point where you could get 20 signals a day. All right. So all that stuff can elevate as we elevate. All right, just to keep it all the way a buck with you guys. And so, how much is the plan to get these ideas? Well, it's only $50 a month. $50 a month to get access to these ideas, and as you can see, it's well thought out and definitely beneficial for those who actually want to apply this to their trading. Trading involves risk, including some or all of your initial investments, past performance, never guarantees future results. All right, when you trade, you're trading based on your, it's based on your discretion. Okay, so just keep all of that stuff in mind. All right, and furthermore, if I decide to do a live session, which is not, mandated, it's not, anything you pay for. When I do live sessions, it is just a bonus, right? Some people expect it, right? But you're paying for the signals. You're paying for the ideas. That's what you're paying for. You're paying for the signals, the ideas based on analysis and based on indicators. Okay. Now, whenever I'm doing a live session, understand that's based on market opinions, market commentary, and it can change in any given second. Especially if the markets are doing some momentum shifts, for example. So keep this in mind, right? This is really beneficial, especially for those of you that are just getting started, they're just starting off. All right, so if you're just starting off, you want to do some DIY Forex, okay? You can go over here to swaysetup.com, all right? Swaysetup.com. This is DIY Forex, okay? It'll bring you right to this registration form. Very simple, very easy, okay, for you to fill this form. So first name, last name, all right, putting your email, create your password, click the terms and conditions, register. There's for points-based Forex, which is traditional Forex. When it comes to binary options, you go over here to dotrade.com. All right, so dotrade.com for time-based trading, okay? And if you're an individual where you want to get an edge, all right, on the traditional Forex as well, then you go over here to swaypropfirm.com. All right, swaypropfirm.com. And basically what it's going to introduce you to is a challenge that if you take the challenge, okay, you can earn a funded account that you could use to elevate further with that. Okay? So it's a very cool system for everyone to use. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, any of that, just let me know. And if you want to know what is the real benefit to the Sway Prop Firm, all right, check this out. Okay, for a nano, okay, account, it's $10. You get a $1,000 funded account. $25, you get a $2,500 funded account. $50, a $5,000 funded account. But you have to first complete the challenge, phase 1, phase 2, and if you complete the challenge, all right, then you get these funded accounts. After you get the funded account, as long as you stay within the risk parameters, okay, and you're growing and scaling the account, you can withdraw 80 to 90% of what you are 80 to 90% of what you are actually profiting. So you can't keep the money from the funded account, all right? However, you can earn up to 80 to 90% of whatever you profit from these funded accounts. So it's very interesting. $100, that's a 10,000 funded account if you beat the challenge. $249, that's 25,000 funded account if you beat the challenge. $349, if you beat the challenge, you could trade on a $50,000 funded account. $549. All right. If you beat the challenge, you get a $100,000 funded account. $749. If you beat the challenge, you get a $150,000 funded account. $989. If you beat the challenge, you get a $200,000 funded account. So why would you want to do this? Because when you have a lot of money you can leverage, you can actually make more money more faster if you know what you're doing. So swayprofirm.com. All right. When you click on this, all right, you'll be able to start the process for that. So let me stop mirroring. Okay. So swaysetup.com. If you want to start a traditional Forex account, swayfunded.com. If you rather do the funding challenge to be able to get a funded account and then apply, some of these ideas, apply some of the analysis that we teach you here, to help you beat your challenge, you can do that. High frequency tools are also available. We get into that another time. For binary options, dotrade.com is what I'm currently using. All right. So keep all this stuff in mind. Again, if you have any questions, shoot it my way. I'll be more than happy to answer. I'll be more active this week now that I'm settling into my new place. So thank you so much. Stay blessed. Take care. I'll see you on our next sessions, or I'll see you in one of our next events. Peace out.